Alrighty, well, this is some stuff about the moon and, how we got the moon in the first place and what the age of the Earth really is. Now, it is well established in the scientific community that the age of the Earth is about 4.6 billion years old. But what are they really dating? They're not actually dating, the original planet of the Earth. Of course, how do you say, well, when it was, proof made at this time? No. Obviously, it was made, over a very, very, very long period of time. And our planet got bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. And, so what are we dating? In theory, and there's lots of good evidence for this, that there was a Mars-sized object which we refer to as Theia. And Theia orbited with the Earth around the Sun in the same orbit as the Earth does. And it collided with the Earth. And when it collided with the Earth, it created a splash. Some goo splashed and created a mass of material, also orbiting with the Earth around the Sun. And most of that material coalesced to become our moon, Luna. And Luna orbits the Earth because it's very close to the Earth. However, the other splashy bits that came from that collision are still raining down on the Earth today as meteorites, and those are the shooting stars that you see in the night sky. And we really don't have any rocks that are 4.6 billion years old on the Earth today. So what we're really dating is the age of those meteorites, because they came from that same collision. And so that's what we're dating, is the collision between Theia and the Earth, which created the moon. Now, the age of the actual rocks on the Earth is the oldest rocks on the Earth that belong to the Earth, of course, the crust of the Earth, are around 4.2 to 4.3, maybe 4.4 billion years old. And the reason for that is that there's a 200 million year gap there, which is pretty substantial. And where do those rocks go? Well, they subducted. Plate tectonics, where the crust of the Earth is very thin and sort of, brittle, and it is cracked up and it moves around over the surface of the goo, which is inside the Earth, and convection currents in the asthenosphere. Anyways, and so as that moves, some pieces of the crust subduct and are recycled or remelted. And so we don't have old rocks. Well, from 4.6 billion years ago, those are no longer existing on the surface of the Earth because they've been recycled. So, Now, we're not saying that there was no planet here before that. There was. It's just that it was obliterated remelted in this collision. The entire planet was remelted at that collision. And two bodies, the Earth was the main mass of this material, and the Moon is a smaller mass of this material, and we now orbit each other as we orbit the Sun. Anyways, so that's what they're talking about when they say the age of the Earth. It's not that there was no Earth there before that. There was. It's just that that was obliterated at this time. Anyways, okay, that's it. Bye for now.